everything kind of like looks as if it's on the cliffhanger. So there is definitely some smaller causalities that we could say that, yeah, there is something developing here for a potential move to the downside if it's to continue. We also have to look at the character of the decline, because so far it's not as strong of the decline as we've had before. I think, Bruce's words here that it could be just a reaction within a much larger uptrend. So we have to see what kind of continuation we're going to have, and whether, let's say, for the S&P, there's going to be some kind of lift around the support area and so on and so forth. I also would like to point your attention to Russell. So Russell was very interesting when we were discussing the reversal rate here, because it didn't necessarily show a lot of weakness. And yet, after the initial move up, after several attempts to go up and the failure of those attempts to overcome specific level, we actually moving down, and we're starting to move down on increased effort. And I would say that if we're not going to stop right here, like with these two bars that have some presence of the demand that we see in the volume signature and in the bars themselves, if we don't stop here and we're just going to continue to the downside, this will tell us that whatever demand that came here was incapable of stopping the price from moving further down, and therefore that would suggest a lower low here. Just this simple continuation. So tomorrow is going to be very telling. Would we break it to the downside? If yes, most likely a lower low here.